This example is slightly difficult compared to the previous one. By the way, let me read the question now. Rationalize the denominator of Surd2 plus 1 divided with Surd2 minus 1. That's for the question part A. For the question part B, Surd3 minus Surd2 divided with Surd3 plus with Surd2. So we require to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so without further delay, let us start to solve the question part A and then followed by the question part B. Okay, so let us begin the working now. Okay, so let me write down the fraction into the working here. Surd2 plus with 1. Okay, let me underline the fraction over Surd2 minus 1. Okay, so let us start our working from here itself. Okay, so the purpose in order to rationalize the denominator so that we could eliminate the denominator by having any surd value. So how to eliminate the surd value in the denominator? By conjugate it. Okay, so since you have Surd2 minus 1, so the conjugate of Surd2 minus 1 will be Surd2 plus 1. Okay, so what you do, you times at the numerator and the denominator as well. Okay, so the working is pretty similar as compared to the previous example. You just follow the step. Okay, so from here, let me draw another fraction line. Okay, and let me just put a dot here to indicate it is a multiplication. Okay, in a bracket, Surd2 plus with 1. Okay, and then for the denominator, Surd2 plus with 1. Okay, for the denominator, you should not have any problem. You can just straight away apply the a minus b times with a plus b. You should get equals to a square minus b square. But you really need to be careful for the numerator. Okay, unfortunately for the numerator, you need to perform the manual expansion. Okay, so no problem, we can do it step by step. So from here, Surd2 times with Surd2, you should get is 2. Okay, so plus with Surd2 times with 1, you get is Surd2. Okay, 1 times Surd2, okay, you get Surd2 again. Okay, 1 times 1, you get is 1. Okay, so we done with the numerator. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, like I said, we can straight away apply the formula, the a minus b times with a plus b. So you get the a square minus b square expression. So that's the concept that you're going to apply for the denominator over here. Okay, Surd2 times with Surd2, you should get is 2. Okay, negative 1 times with 1, you get is negative 1. Okay, so we are good to go. So 2 minus 1 at the denominator, you only left with 1. So the denominator, you can literally omit them. Okay, since the value is just 1. Okay, so from here, now you just focus on the numerator. Okay, so you solve the numerical first. So 2 plus with 1. So from here, you should get is 3. Okay, now you need to be careful on the addition of the surd. Okay, Surd2 plus with Surd2, you should get is 2 Surd2. Okay, this concept is similar like the algebra. Okay, for instance, a plus with a, you should get equals to 2a. The similar concept applies here. Surd a plus with Surd a is equals to 2 Surd a. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. So let me erase this. So your final answer will be 3 plus with 2 Surd2. Okay, so let me underline the solution for the question part A. Alright, let us proceed to the question part B, where we require to solve the Surd 3 minus Surd 2 divided with Surd 3 plus with Surd 2. Okay, so let us continue. Okay, let me write the fraction in our working here. Okay, so from here, Surd 3 minus Surd 2. Okay, let me draw the fraction line. Okay, divide with Surd 3 plus with Surd 2. Okay, so the similar step as the question part A, so we're going to apply over here. Take a look at the denominator. Okay, so the denominator has surd, so you need to eliminate it. So how to eliminate it? You apply the conjugate. Okay, so the conjugate for Surd 3 plus Surd 2 will be Surd 3 minus Surd 2. Okay, so you times it with numerator and denominator. Okay, so let me draw a fraction line over here. So from here, Surd 3 minus Surd 2. Okay, and similar for the denominator. Okay, you times with Surd 3 minus Surd 2. Okay, so let me scroll this down. Okay, now we can perform the multiplication, and we begin with the numerator first. Okay, so from here, Surd 3 times with Surd 3, you get is 3. Okay, Surd 3 times with negative Surd 2, you get is negative Surd 6. Okay, negative Surd 6. Okay, so from here, negative Surd 2 times with Surd 3, you should get is negative Surd 6. Negative Surd 6. Okay, so from here, negative Surd 2 times with negative Surd 2, you should get is 2. Okay, so it will be positive 2. Okay, so I hope I made myself clear for this. So let me underline the numerator. Okay, and now we focus on the denominator now. Okay, similar step, the denominator you just apply the a minus b times with a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay, Surd 3 times with Surd 3, you get is 3. Okay, Surd 2 times with negative Surd 2, you get is negative 2. Okay, so from here, 3 minus 2, you only left with 1. Okay, so the 1 you can omit it for the denominator. You can only focus with the numerator now. Okay, so from here, you start with the numbers first. So 3 plus with 2, you get is 5. Okay, and you have here negative Surd 6 minus Surd 6. Okay, similar as the addition, it applies for the subtraction as well. Okay, so let me give you an example over here. So from here, negative a minus a, so you should get is equals to negative 2a. Okay, same concept applies to the surd. So from here, negative Surd a minus negative Surd a, negative Surd a minus Surd a, so you'll get equals to negative 2 Surd a. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept behind this. So only for the multiplication you need to be careful, guys. Okay, for instance, Surd a times with Surd b. Okay, why Surd b? Because for instance, in this earlier explanation, we have negative Surd 2 in times with Surd 3. So the inside variable, they are not the same. So from here, what you need to do, you combine the two variables together and you write in a single surd. So it will be Surd AB. Okay, so this will be your answer for the multiplication, guys. Okay, so let me erase this. Okay, so from here, negative Surd 6 minus Surd 6, you should get is negative 2 surd 6. So this will be your answer for the question part B. So let me outline the solution for the question part B. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.